Good morning, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao! Today is March 22, 2026. Live here in Antipolo City. I am Radias Manaventura, your weather reporter from HDS News. Now, let's take a look at today's weather. In the next 24 hours, expect warm and humid weather across the Philippines due to the easterlies. Easterlies are winds coming from the Pacific Ocean, bringing warm and moist air that causes humid conditions across the country. Heat index forecast for today. In Metro Manila, expect partly cloudy to cloudy skies with temperature ranging from 24 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius. Wind speed will be light to moderate coming from the east, while coastal conditions will be slight to moderate. According to Pag-asa, the heat index is a measure of how hot it feels to the human body. With this level, you may experience discomfort, so please be extra careful to avoid heat stroke. For-day weather forecast. Winds will remain light to moderate coming from the east, and conditions will stay slight to moderate. For today, Sunday in Metro Manila, sunrise was at 5:48 a.m. and sunset will be at 6:08 p.m. If you are going out, remember to wear light clothing, bring a hat or umbrella for protection from the sun,